Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 9 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. World's first immersive smart capture binoculars eyeQ. We fantasized about using them to solve the common issue of missing thrilling moments at live events while recording them on our iPhones. Take a real-time movie or a still photo of a memorable moment while engaging in rich, immersive reality. eyeQ's intuitive touchpad functions as a heads-up display so you can easily operate your phone's sophisticated camera features. When taking pictures, making videos, or just looking at anything you want, you can utilize the zoom piece. It pulls in visual data from your phone and displays it on an exquisite screen within your eyeQ Immersive Smart Viewer. View everything in full HD. The most immersive watching and recording experience ever envisaged required extensive research and development. Coming to number 2, Bowflex SelectTech 840 Kettlebell. A variety of exercises, including swings, rows, squats, twists, and others, are available with a large weight range. Provides cardio, strength, and fitness while toning your arms, legs, and core. By just turning a dial, you may swiftly go from one exercise to the next, raise the weight from 8 to 40 pounds, and perform a variety of different activities. A space-saving design replaces up to 6 kettlebells with weights that weigh 8, 12, 20, 25, 35, and 40 pounds. Coming to number 3, Flex Cam Oppy. Imagine a new action camera. Twist Oppy to keep it in position. Help Oppy stand without a tripod, or stretch Oppy out straight to resemble a selfie stick. Never skipping a journey, Oppy encourages you to encounter and discover the amazing world in which you live. Traditional action cameras, like GoPro TM models, require countless extras, including tripods, gimbals, clamps, and harnesses. Our first priority is on-time delivery of your order. Never pass up an opportunity to be creative. Oppy can see every brilliant idea, every creative touch, and every aha second for those who create. Ample memory, digital image balance, long-lasting battery life, and excellent image plus video capacity quality. This webcam is ideal for you. Coming to number 4, Bionic Cube, a portable whole-room filterless air purifier. It uses components that have been approved by international independent laboratories as part of Plasma Air's unique bipolar ionization technology to produce large volumes of positive and negative ions for each space in your home, hotel, car, or business. Since 2012, the same technology has been deployed in high-end jet aircraft. Plasma Air's technology is used by hotels, airports, train stations, schools, casinos, and other companies to deliver strong and dependable bipolar ionization. To give you the same great performance and extremely low power consumption, we have converted the well-respected Plasma Air product into our Bionic Cube system. The Bionic Cube's patent-pending ion dispersion mechanism draws air in from all sides, providing it with 360 degrees of input air. This gives your room the most airflow and the best possible distribution of positive and negative ions. Coming to number 5, Niubcp mechanical keyboard with wireless charger and stand. It includes 61 essential keys and full-size capability in a small package. The ideal tactile typing experience will elevate both your regular work and gaming. 6 different mechanical keyboard styles are offered by Niubcp. Typing is made more fun by the integration of groundbreaking double-shot translucent PBT keycaps and distinctive RGB lights. The Niubcp is equipped with a sleek, minimalistic design with a mechanical keyboard's satisfying tactile feedback. It is ready to increase your everyday productivity and embark you on an amazing new typing adventure. Coming to number 6, Clorox Air Purifier. It is perfect for cleaning medium-sized rooms up to 5 times an hour when used in a space measuring 225 square feet, and once an hour when used in a space measuring up to 1,000 square feet. And includes 3-stage HEPA filtration as well. The true HEPA filter, which captures 99.97% of allergens and particulates as small as 0.1 microns and 99.9% of viruses and germs. The first pre-filter, which traps big dust particles and pet hair. Third is an active carbon filter that lowers VOC levels and eliminates odors to keep the air smelling clean. Air quality is continuously monitored by an embedded sensor. Light color and a touchscreen display with real-time PM 2.5 measurements are used to indicate the air quality. When the air quality varies, the auto mode automatically adjusts the fan speeds. Coming to number 7. Floating cards. The floating card display. As long as you treat your PSA graded cards gently, it won't harm them. You can depend on your favorite cards to maintain their form and brilliance over time if you follow the instructions we give. The ungraded card cases, which are currently being developed, will allow you to display your cards without having to have them graded. Future funding for mass production has been used to create a number of functional prototypes. Coming to number 8. Sklz Golf Training Bundles. You can practice crucial putt lengths on a true roll surface with Accelerator Pro. Every part of your putting stroke, including the face square, back swing, and follow through, is improved by precise alignment aids at 3, 5, and 7 feet, which improves accuracy and distance control on every putt. Accelerator Pro contains alignment markings at 3 crucial putting distances to encourage consistency in your face squaring, backswing, and follow-through movements. As a result, every putt is more precise and controlled. The consistent ball return makes it possible to keep practicing. Additionally, by continuing to putt without needing to reset, you can concentrate on keeping each putt's stroke and pace, which will make your practice sessions more fruitful and efficient. Never cut it too short. The Accelerator Pro's slight upslope at the cup allows you to practice accelerating through the ball. It is meant to reflect real-world putting circumstances. Additionally, it was designed for the authentic roll surface to generate a stimp reading that is comparable to that of real golf greens. Coming to number 9. RockDove Men's Original Two-Tone Memory Foam Slipper. The robust rubber sole allows you to leave the house without changing shoes to retrieve the mail or walk the dog. They don't leave any noise or stains on tile or hardwood floors. Slipper in the clog style that is easy to slip on and take off. Created and quality checked in the USA, with a team of US-based support staff ready round the clock to address all of your post-purchase needs. Machine washable for simple maintenance, the waffle knit upper ventilates the interior, allowing your foot to breathe and keep dry. Treat yourself to a memory foam insole that conforms to the curve of your foot for pillow-soft comfort after a long day at work. Give the hard-working father or husband in your life a well-deserved vacation by tending to his achy feet. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.